A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear Muslim brothers and sisters, this is first audio video of my YouTube channel. In this, would like to share a small incident, but very important one of my life. First, would like to mention that I belong to Ismaili sect, Shia Imami Nizari Ismaili. Recently, I was going away from the sect because of some negative thoughts coming in my mind, and then it happened that I started reading the history of 48th Imam of Ismaili sect, the Sultan Muhammad Shah Khan III. And in his childhood he was staying very sick, so the doctors predicted about him that he would not survive for more than 25 years of age. Now here I would like to give two references of Quran Majid. That first one, that nothing happens without the approval of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and second one is Allah knows about present, past and future. So Allah knew that if he would be given the life, then Sultan Muhammad Shah Khan will claim that he is Ali Nabi and progeny of Ali, peace be upon him, peace be upon them. And he will also claim that he is the 48th Imam of Ismaili sect. So if he would be liar, then he would never be given the healthy life after till the age of 80 years, and would never be given so many awards and recognitions for his services to the humanity. After this logical arguments, I came very closer to the Ismaili sect, and after that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me immense satisfaction of heart, which I can't compare with anything in my life. I can't be grateful enough to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who guided me towards the truth. Inshallah, we'll see you with the next video soon. Allah Hami wa Nasir.